So you find them in every good salad bar, but when was the last time you reached for chickpeas in your home cooking? That changes today with the help of your Instant Pot and veggie enthusiast, Lisa Danielson. Great to see you.
Hi, how are you?
I like the word chickpeas.
I know, it's fun to say, right?
Chickpeas, yeah. You're a chickpea lover.
I am a chickpea
How
lover.
come?
Well, the thing about chickpeas that is so amazing, it's the perfect combination of protein and fiber, which is sometimes hard to find.
Together.
And it really is the magic combination for weight loss.
Really? How so?
So between the protein and the fiber, it reduces your appetite. And so they've done studies that have shown that the more chickpeas you eat, the lower your appetite typically is.
Now chickpea, I'm embarrassed. Lentil? Bean?
It's a lentil.
Okay.
But in the bean family.
In the bean family.
Yeah.
And you use them a variety of different ways. You've got some ideas for us.
They're so versatile. So a lot of people don't realize that hummus comes from chickpeas.
I was one of those people.
Yeah.
I eat hummus, I don't know what it comes from.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it is typically from chickpeas, but you can also roast chickpeas too, which are so delicious.
Just to eat alone?
Oh yeah, as a snack, you can do sweet ones, you can do savory ones, but you just roast them in the oven, put them, olive oil, some spices, a little bit of salt, and they keep for a long time in your pantry.
Do they crisp up? Can I?
Yeah.
May I?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, they do.
It's like a little salty snack, and they're full of protein, full of fiber. So
That's good.
Yeah, I keep these in my car actually. It's my car snack.
That's really good. Okay, the hummus. Talk us through the hummus.
So the hummus typically is mixed with like a tahini and some different spices, but the hummus is also fun too to always, have a batch of hummus. I like homemade hummus in the fridge, and then your kids have something to snack on.
So you put it in the food processor.
Oh yeah, food processor, olive oil, lots of garlic, and then salt and pepper.
These are really good.
Yeah, they are really good.
I will be making these, and these are just the ones from the can.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, you've got a recipe idea using chickpeas for us.
Yeah, so we're gonna make a salad, but one thing that people don't realize about chickpeas is they're so cheap. So especially when you buy them in this dried form right here, right? So they haven't been cooked yet. 1 cup of chickpeas is going to equal 3 cups when you stick it in the Instapot.
Where are these in the grocery store?
So you can just find them in the bean aisle. They're in a little bag. So for 3 cups of dried chickpeas, which is basically 9 cups of chickpeas cooked, is $1.38.
Oh, wow.
So they have 14 grams of protein for every cup. So a lot of people don't realize that it is such a budget-friendly protein option.
And inexpensive. And in the Instant Pot, easy to do?
Oh, yeah. So you always want to soak your beans. Whenever you go to cook them in the Instant Pot, soak them overnight first with a little bit of baking soda and salt.
Okay.
This is really going to help cut down on your cooking time and also cut down on the gassiness that sometimes people experience after eating lentils. So cook them for 15 minutes on high in the Instant Pot. Bam, you've got yourself chickpeas.
Done. Okay, how are we using these in a salad? So I keep snacking. Sorry.
Yeah, no, you're fine.
Your bowl is getting depleted.
So chickpeas are so versatile. You can really use them in any dish, but I like to toss them on some really nice butter,
so are
lettuce.
those ones you cooked?
Yeah.
Okay, rehydrated? Yeah.
Yep. And then we've got some really good, just some in-season produce that you can find in the store. Because January, let's face it, it's hard in Utah to find some good veggies. But we're going to put some yellow bell pepper, some tomatoes, some artichokes. And make sure you get the artichokes that are in water, not oil. Same with the sun-dried tomatoes. That's really going to cut down on the calories, but you're still going to get all the flavor. So these are just some sun-dried tomatoes. Of course, we cannot forget feta cheese because it makes every salad delicious. And then we're going to top it with a little bit of green onion. So,
yum.
Yeah, it's delicious.
What's our dressing for this salad?
So the dressing, we're of course going to make it from scratch because it's so easy. So we're just going to put in about 4 tablespoons of olive oil and some Greek yogurt. Now this can just be plain Greek yogurt. I like to keep a big thing of plain Greek yogurt in my fridge.
You reach for it a lot.
Yeah, I do use it a lot. Red wine vinegar, a little bit of lemon juice, and then we've got some garlic and then just a little bit of cumin. You could add salt and pepper to it, and it's so easy. It's nice and creamy. It gives a really good flavor to the salad. Fresh lemon is always delicious on top of a salad. And really, this is what I would consider an entree salad. So if you wanted to meal prep this would be so easy to divide in containers, just keep the dressing a little bit separate.
And it speaks to the palate we're craving, not just fresh this time of year, but bright, right?
But bright,
Doesn't your
I know,
palate
bright
want those
colors.
bright bites?
Yeah, exactly.
Really quickly, is there any nutritional advantage to buying them in that form as opposed to in the can?
Well, typically in the can, there's going to be a higher salt content, which isn't a huge deal if you rinse your chickpeas. So every time I open a can of beans, if I don't cook them,
you rinse them.
I always rinse them, and that does get the salt off. But I mean, obviously, it's going to be a lot cheaper if you make them in the Instapot. They're not going to have nearly as much salt. You can control the flavor a little bit better. So when you do put them in the Instapot, throw in a bay leaf, throw in some garlic, throw in some onion. They have a really, really nice flavor.
I'm going to try this.
Yeah, it's so easy.
Yeah. All right, Lisa, thank you so much. Where can we get more recipe ideas from you?
Veggie Lisa on Instagram or veggielisa.com.
She inspires us in the best ways to eat healthier, pack in those veggies. We all need more of that, so we'll link you over to Veggie Lisa on Instagram from our website. Thanks again.
Thank you.